Hey guys, to use Kraken limit order like a pro, first of all select the trading pair. Once you select the trading pair, hit buy or sell the coin. Select the limit order type and set a specific buy or sell price. Okay. After you set a specific buy or sell price that differs from the current market price, allowing you to wait for a better entry or exit point. For strategic advantage, use the post only option to avoid taker fees and add liquidity. And for advanced traders, explore TP and SL or take profit stop loss. Okay, to automatically close positions at a target price or when a loss is incurred. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.